I hope you're doing well. Welcome to Jeff Interiors YouTube channel. It's a channel where you can find anything to do with the interiors, guys. Today, we have a very interesting video that I have prepared for you. And before I forget, if you are new here, karibu sana. If you're coming back, welcome back. Thank you guys for the continued support that you have given us. Thank you guys for making those orders coming through. We appreciate the feedback. And guys, we are here to sort you out. We are here to come through for you, and I'm sure you will not regret because we make high quality product at an affordable price. Yani bei ya mkulima. So we sort you out and we are very much affordable. So guys, today I want us to come with us to the location where we are at the workshop. Even right now, where I'm doing this video, I'm doing it from the workshop. This is the workshop where all the work is done. If you need a shoe rack, a TV stand, bookshelf, corner stands, guys, this is where the processing is made. Let's deliver them to you. So guys, here as you can see on the background, we also have a store where we store our materials, our boards, those that we need to at Maziwa, Kahawa West. Along Biara Lane, the lane that is connecting Kamiti Road and Northern Bypass. So if you come across that Riara Lane, we are the only guys that we have a workshop there. You'll be there and you'll find us. And guys, we will sort you. I'm promising you, you will never regret working with Jeff Interiors, guys. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you put your thumbs up, and please don't forget